On a windy, sunny day, when you come to weed or fertilize and water your garden, it would be annoying to get your clothes stained or to have knee or back pain. A garden kneeler will solve this for you. The structure is simple and stable, easy to set up and save space. Built with a strong metal frame and a soft EVA cushion, the kneeler holds up to 330 pounds or 150 kilograms. You can open and close it with the blink of an eye. When you work the soil on your knees, the kneeler supports your knees and lower back and protects your trousers from the mud and dirt. The handles on both sides make it safer and easier to get up. The kneeler comes with 4 plastic tubes to prevent the paint from chipping and prevent slipping. They can also be easily removed and changed to the top or the bottom. Each garden kneeler comes with 2 bonus bags to hold all of your tools, fertilizer, or seeds and keep them at your disposal. You can easily remove or attach them. After hard hours toiling the soil, you can sit on this comfortable stool for tea